Hola chicos, bienvenidos a su Repaso tutorial, expectativas, repaso, plus Flipgrid video assignment. Okay, this Repaso video is going to show you one, expectativas, repaso, a review on our online class expectations. And to do so, I wanted to show you this report that shows your answers on your assignment questions. First, we cover a little bit of attendance and when and where this happens. I think we all know by now how to do well on checking in our class attendance and understanding that yes, it's worth points. Simple. Okay. We gave each other some feedback on how much we understand and are familiar with some of these online resources. As you can see, we have many. We'll use them one at a time, and we'll only pick the easy and helpful ones, but give us time. We also did a little quick check on you, understanding how to know when your assignments are due, where to check, and how much you understand the dates and due dates. Finally, a quick revision on how discipline and the merits work, case by case, and what you shouldn't be doing, inappropriate nicknames or inappropriate comments, things like that. And then finally, the communication. Communication, as you can see, is voted as email being the most easy to interact with, email, and Microsoft Teams chat is also a good one. So those are your preference. My preference is both. I don't care either way, right? For all those that were picking up the video pretty well and just checking a little bit of how that is going to, how many of you are really watching these videos. They only have 12 that watch very carefully. My son's name is Theo. Okay, muy bien. So that was number one. Repaso de las expectativas. Okay. Number two is your assignment. Your assignment that is due next class, next week. You can see the due dates here. It's your Flipgrid assignment. Okay. To complete this Flipgrid assignment, you need to first watch this Edpuzzle video, which is a tutorial video, just to make sure that you are seeing me and checking in. And to access Flipgrid. You can access Flipgrid through three different pathways, 3 different ways. They all take you to the same place, which is your Flipgrid assignment. One, you can access your assignment through Microsoft Teams. Let me take you through this really fast. You go to Microsoft Teams. We are always kind of using period 7 as our example. We go to General Posts Files. At the very end, you have this guy called P7 SP20 Cabrera. Click in there, and then you will see this page asking for a flip code. Your flip code is located on your on-campus assignment directions. The flip code for you, in this case period 7, will be located here, and this will be labeled with each period, but you should know that these are the flip codes that you need. You need just one of them, the one that belongs to your period. Now copy and paste it here, and that way you can see your Flipgrid assignment. Part of your assignment is getting in here and following the directions to understand your assignment. That is part of the assignment. Should be fun. This is one way you can access Flipgrid. Second way you can access Flipgrid is by downloading the app on your phone. You can do this by just downloading the app just like you do with any app on your phone. If you want to know how this looks like, well, here it is. This is the phone, and this is the application. Oops, not that one. Oops. That one. Flipgrid. And if you hit on the app, you will be prompted to enter a flip code. There. Once again, your flip code is the one shown up here. Okay, this will be labeled better so you can access the correct flip code or Flipgrid assignment. Right. The third way, and for some easiest way to access this Flipgrid assignment is by just doing it on your computer. And for that, you can just copy and paste these links depending on your period, or you can simply click on a link. Let's click on one just to check. Click on the link and it takes you straight to the assignment. Okay, I hope that you can pull this off and figure out how to complete your Flipgrid assignment. Okay, lastly, this video is also an assignment. You watching this video, this tutorial, is progress points. So let's go back to assignments and again check and make sure we understand this. Watching this video is an assignment, completing your Flipgrid is an assignment, and me asking for some feedback about what's been done here in this session is also an assignment. But for this particular assignment, your Edpuzzle, you have to understand a couple things. One, and I'm gonna take one video as an example, which is this one. This is just a sample. This is just a sample again. This is a place where you can first, of course, watch the video. And once you watch the video, you'll see at the end, this video will have a little note that says, any general question about the video, please post here. Anything that you don't understand about this tutorial, please just write it up over there and I'll be able to improve the video or just answer the question. And also pay attention to a reminder at the very end, which is called credit for this video assignment is recorded only if you watch this complete video. Just a reminder, okay? So please make sure that you just watch the whole video and that's it. You don't have to really be worrying about anything else when it comes to this assignment. Okay, that's all I got, muchachos. Buena suerte. Okay, adiós.